You clicked on this video for a reason: to add friends on Roblox in 2026 without requests failing, privacy blocks, or buttons not showing up. I got you. So stick with me. I'll show exactly how to add friends, why it sometimes doesn't work, and the quick fixes most people miss. First, search for your friend the right way. Use their exact Roblox username in the search bar. Display names don't work for adding friends. Click their profile, then hit Add Friend. Once they accept, you're instantly connected. If you don't see the Add Friend button, it's usually a privacy setting issue. Go to Settings, Security and Privacy. Who can make me a member of their private server, and who can message me, and make sure friend requests aren't restricted. Kids' accounts often have this turned off by default. Another common block is the friend limit. Roblox caps how many friends you can have. If you are at the limit, the Add Friend button disappears. Remove inactive friends and refresh the page. If you're adding friends on mobile, make sure the Roblox app is fully updated. Older app versions sometimes hide the button or fail to send the request, even when it looks like it worked. Pro tip: once you're friends, turn on Who can invite me to private servers. Friends. That lets you join each other faster without links or codes. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with what's not working, and I'll help you fix it.